you lost something?
I put my controller here, but it's not here.
I tell you, my cookie was right here on my napkin, but it's not here.
I think you ate it and then forgot you did.
Did I really eat it? It was delicious, right? I remember something like that.
I loved it. I think you must have loved it as well.
Yes, my young scouts, gather round, gather round. We will now learn about the trees in the forest. Follow me. Let's see which tree this is.
Aw, this one is toppled as well. There are broken pieces and footprints going this
Is
way.
it walnut? No, this is another tree. Guess what tree this is? But there used to be a walnut tree here, I remember it. Let's look over there.
It tasted so delicious. It most definitely was.
Where is Zuzu going, you guys?
I really loved it, right, sis? Hey, sis. Hey, sis, please wait for me. So, was there walnut in it?
Where is everyone going, Manny?
Maybe it's about the controller. Come on, let's follow.
Minnie, Maddie, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie, they came to see all new things. Every moment, everywhere life embraces us. Come now, come live with joy inside.